Hi, it's Tiziana. Today I have a short review, and this is a new Moyra top coat. It's called Mermaid Top Coat, and you can see it here, Mermaid Top Coat. So I thought I would swatch it on some white and black pop sticks. So look at how beautiful it is. It's amazing. So beautiful. So let's start with the white. Oh, it's really thick, really thick. So it reminds me a little bit of Essence Mermaid. So this is how it looks over white. Let me adjust the light. And then I made a black pop stick. Oh, it looks wonderful over black. Oh wow. Yeah, I can see it's a little bit better than the Essence one. But they are very similar. Oh wow, so beautiful over black. So maybe you can let it dry and then apply more if you wanted to. I'm just showing you like so beautiful. Oh wow. Then I made a matte black just to see how it would look over a matte polish. Not a matte polish, but I applied some matte top coat on the black. So I'm curious to see how it looks. But yeah, it looks a little bit the same. Oh, I really like it. Wow. I think it is really better than the Essence. Not because I don't like Essence, I love Essence products. But this one is like more, I don't know how to say because my English is not that good. It's like more like a punch, more a punch to it. Yeah, it looks like, let's see. This is the matte and this is the, yeah, the same. I thought maybe there would be a small difference, but I can't see it. Then I made a last blue just to see how it looks on blue. So like I said, if you want, you could let this dry and then apply more. But it looks amazing over the blue as well. Oh yeah, it looks much more, it looks better. The more you apply, the better it looks, I think. Yeah, so here are the pop sticks all together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mani, and I'm going to try to incorporate the mermaid top coat and see how that goes. So if you want to keep watching, I'll make a mani now with this top coat. The products that I'll be using for this mani will be listed down below in the comment section.
It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat.
I hope you liked the tutorial. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel for more knitting.